Sana supportahan niyo si Ma'am sa kanyang YouTube channel. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you. TV vlog. Yan. Ilalagay ko sa description. Sana supportahan niyo mga support.
Ito na mga idol, Louie Kapanalig.
Ayan, supportahan natin si Flixie TV Vlog. Watch hour na lang yung kulang niya. Ayan, para makamit niya na panoorin natin, no? No.
Pasig.
I was marites on somebody, but that's not true. It's not true. I won't.
Sir Dan, you know what's
I won't
Marites?
compromise my integrity to something like that. I won't. If I do that, the respect of my colleagues here will disappear. I don't. The respect for me is more important than, you know. There's a lot. There's a lot. If you want to,
There's a lot.
oh yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot of.
There's a lot.
There's a lot.
If Kuya Eric wants to, there's a lot. Lalo na ako.
Agoy, narinig.
Patay ka dyan. Nagilid-gilid.
Narinig.
I'm just kidding.
Bawi ka agad.
I want to be
Bawi ka agad eh.
in a moment
Ay,
that Jeff will do that. No way. He is smart enough to understand what he going to lose. Remember that.
Yeah.
Remember, he is smart enough to understand what he's going to lose.
I know he is very smart, much smarter than I am.
Believe
Agi
me.
mo nga ito?
I'm glad.
You are very smart.
Yeah.
Brown?
Okay. Probably
Dito?
we both
Ano?
didn't finish school or education.
Well, college.
I'm
Me and
undergraduate. I'm 13 years.
Dito.
I'm a year more to be aeronautical engineer.
Engineer?
I didn't graduate, but
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, really?
that is
So weird.
I'm so proud that from grade 6 high school to part of the college, I was comfortable. What I didn't get
Can you believe it?
I didn't get the first honor one time when I was second year high school. You know why? Because my girlfriend is the first honor.
Okay.
Ganun pala.
I didn't get it.
Kaya pala.
I end up because when I was going that way, it become so prevalent to me to women. You know, women destroy my dreams. Women destroy my dreams.
Really?
I want to be a pilot, or I want to be an airplane mechanic.
Yeah.
Really?
But
Was that really happen? Women destroy your dream?
what happened is somebody
Wala na sapin.
Ouch!
and my family.
Is that really happen? Women destroy your dream, or you're the one destroy their future?
It's true. We don't know. It's true. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if she is also dreaming about something. That's, you know.
Yeah.
But I have a dream.
Yeah.
I have a dream.
Yeah.
But you know, it's true. You know.
What kind of dream?
Well, I have an experience about destroying future of girls.
Yung pangarap mo niya maging pilot, nasira daw sa babae.
But yeah.
It's
Pangarap
But
niya naging
before you
pilot.
say something,
yeah, it's very
One
hard.
thing that I respect you too much is when I see that you put together your kids.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
That's
And
my
I'm so happy that you have to understand you.
Yeah.
You know, Sa iba-ibang babae? Pwede ba yun?
No.
Yeah, that's what I meant for earlier.
Kaya maganda yung ginawa mo. Yung respeto ko, lalo lumaki para sa iyo.
Talaga.
Dahil nung malaman ko yung mga pinuntahan mo dito, pinuntahan mo yung anak mo doon, pinuntahan mo, I was so happy. I can't believe it, you know? Yeah, it's very happy. It's very respectful thing to do. Yan ang believe ako sa iyo. Yan. Hindi, yan na, siguro, kahit
Sir John. Sir John. Sir John.
number one.
Sir John. Sir John, are you okay?
I'm very okay.
Okay. What about, it's already full. I think you drank 6 bottles.
Diyan mo pinakilala
This is
ang
6?
kadalaman.
Yeah, the 6th one.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh, it's there, oh.
Ay, oo.
I meant 2.
5.
Pero,
Lalo pag nabalik ka ng tubig. 5.
5. Yeah. I think 5.
Kating
Oh.
5 eh. Anim po ngayon.
Maybe you're going to crawl later, Sir John.
I will what?
You're going to crawl later.
I will what? Like?
You're going to crawl.
Throw.
Crawl.
I think
Throw. What's that?
Crawl. You're not going to walk, you will crawl.
Hey,
Crawl. Oh.
Crawl.
cell phone bridge is falling down. Falling down.
you have Samsung Flip?
Samsung.
Samsung Flip.
I always use Samsung too. You know?
Yeah, I like Samsung over iPhone.
Ano doon? Nahulog na.
You pay everything. Every single app you have to pay.
Siya yung kumanta ng ano,
Pay.
one day.
Yeah, that.
Oh, yeah. Sige yung sa tuwan.
iPhone is good. Yes.
It is.
Daming ka ano niya
I
kahawig
won't
ni
say
Sir John.
nothing about
NBA
iPhone.
player,
The only
si
thing is,
Davis.
If you're using it,
Nagbanan ako doon.
vlog or a regular use, I just go with Samsung or other phone. I don't like iPhone. Every single app.
First timer.
Si MJ, si Maddie, si
Billion views.
BBL.
8 billion views. It's
That's,
worldwide.
more than the amount of people in my country.
So, you know, I made a parody. I changed the lyrics.
and everything.
This
So
one.
you went viral.
Yeah,
in
I went viral. That's why I got
Mostly-
73,000 likes. That's likes. That's not a...
Wow!
Bago.
Bago-bago!
Sawa ka na sa JP.
Wow! Wow, grabe!
Kaya pala ang tagal.
Really? Wow.
May gulay.
Karaoke.
Ay! May ano. Dol, ikaw na! Dol, baka regalo sa'yo, Dol. Dol. Regalo sa'yo, Dol.
Unboxing.
Unboxing.
Oh, si Bostik, oh. Wow.
Bago-bago mo to! Hindi, ano,
Baliktad yata yung inyong
si Boss Dick ay...
Bibili ako ng 7 ganito.
Wow!
Kuha ng ano ng KTV ba?
Ay,
Yung KTV.
Isisit up pa yan.
Di ba bibili ako 7 ganito?
Ano pala to?
Walang yan. Gagamitin ito sa KTV.
Oh, yung mga speaker oh.
Ay, di, i-sit up pa to.
Oo,
Madali lang may step yan.
isa pa yan. Ay, dapat may ano, may patungan yan.
Ayan, yan.
Oh, ganda.
Saan pa ilalagay?
Bagong-bago.
Hey, John,
Mabuti ano.
our karaoke is...
Karaoke, sir.
Mabuti
We are about to start our karaoke.
Wow.
This is all the way from the store.
Very good.
Wow. New. Next boom. Very.
Ito yung amplifier niya, no?
Shout out Boss Dick, oh.
Ito yung amplifier niya. Kelo. Kelo, ikaw naman isang amplifier.
Hindi, paano yan? Hindi, pare, pahiga nyo.
Hindi, ito higa mo lang to. Ibabaw na to. Ipababaw na. Magaan lang naman to eh.
Dali, go.
Magaan lang to. Ito, bulbul. Yan. Ikulog. Ano ba? Nasaan ba yung nasa ikulog? Ay, ito nga yung amplifier. Yan.
Asan ang mga wire? May wireless yan, tay?
Hindi.
Bluetooth? Ah, Bluetooth.
Wireless yung mic tayo daw. Mic mo.
Ah, yung yung ano? Tatape. Wala, nalaglag. Galing Walter yan?
Hindi, papatungan lang.
Honest review ko sa inyo. Pero sa bodies, ganito lang.
Oo.
Ngayon, pag maganda,